Hello, welcome to Curse Brains. In this video, I will be showing how to use the Facebook Marketplace to restricted Facebook profiles. Let me show you, how does Facebook Marketplace looks like for the profiles it has access to, and then I will show how to access for the restricted profile. There is no actual valid reason why Facebook hasn't allowed access to the Facebook Marketplace for each and every profile on the platform. The following profile is of my mother, and so does even my father profile has access to the Facebook Marketplace, but all of my friends of middle age aren't having access to the marketplace. That's strange. But Facebook Marketplace is actually a great place for selling and buying locally. People do earn more than $200 to $300 monthly from Facebook Marketplace. It's actually easy to figure out how to use the Facebook Marketplace once you get access to it, so I won't narrate everything. So this was a walkthrough of the Facebook Marketplace for the Facebook profiles who have access to. Now I will show how to access the Facebook Marketplace through the Facebook profile who are restricted to access. I will show you both of the options, items sold and items bought, one after other. Clicking on Create New Listing lets you sell your item. As you click on the Search Marketplace, you will get all the categories to look out for the items you are interested in purchasing. That's it. That's how you can access Facebook Marketplace for the restricted profiles. Hope I have explained each and everything clearly. Leave your comments and doubts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much more videos. Thank you for watching this video.